Hello and welcome to Alyssa Elephant. And right there she is, my friends. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes. And here we go. Alyssa Elephant has two favorite foods, fruit and roots. She has fruit for dinner every 4 days and roots for dinner every 7 days. Alyssa had both on January 2nd. When will Alyssa Elephant have both fruit and roots again? All right, so you got two different things here. You've got fruit and you got roots, right? So let's do the fruit in red and we'll do the roots in green, okay? And she had both on January 2nd. So what I like to do is use a little calendar here. And if she had both on the 2nd, I'm going to do both colors. I'm going to do green and I'm also going to do the red, okay? So now, this is actually your mathematical model, and it makes things a little easier here. So we're going to do that right now. So she had fruit for dinner every 4 days. So I'm going to come over here, and every 4 days, I'm going to make a red dot, right? So here we go. I've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll do a red dot. And then we'll go another 4 days. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll do another red dot. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'll do another red dot. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Another red dot. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And another red dot. And 1, 2, 3, 4. And another red dot. We can keep going. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And we'll get another red dot right there. Now, I'm going to move on to the green dots, and she has roots for dinner every 7 days. So let's go ahead and start solving for that. So roots would be every 7 days. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on the 9th. So that would be a green dot. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on the 16th. And then we go 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 on the 23rd. And 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Bam, right there on the 30th. That is when Alyssa Elephant will have both roots and fruit for dinner. So now this is the mathematical model, how you would solve it. You can also do it by finding your LCM, or your least common multiple. So I'm going to grab 4 and I'm going to grab 7. So I'll do that right now. So I've got 4 right here and 7 right there. And now I'm going to look for my least common multiple. So I'm going to simply count by 4s and then count by 7s. So if I count by 4s, I got 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, and then 32, right? If I count by 7s, I got 7, 14, 21, 28, and bam, right there is your least common multiple, right? However, Alyssa Elephant had both on the 2nd, so I got to add the 2 to the 28. So I would simply go 28 plus the 2, and that's going to give me 30. And as you can see, that agrees with our answer right here of our mathematical model. And either way you slice it, 30 is your answer. And your answer, or when will Alyssa Elephant have both fruit and roots again? Well, she'll do it on January 30th, my friend. Hey, what I'd like you to do right now is back this video up to when I first started solving both the mathematical model and the algorithm here, and play a little pause and copy. Play a little pause and copy until you've done the entire problem side by side with me, my friends, because that is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.